Now that you've unboxed your FreezyFun Ultimate Frozen Drink and Soft Serve Maker, let's walk through some important tips to help you get the best results every time. And remember, if this is your very first use, make sure the machine has rested upright for at least 2 hours. Sugar levels, alcohol content, and air temperature can all impact your FreezyFun output. Let's start with sugar levels, which are essential for freezing. For every 8 ounces of liquid, you'll need at least 8 grams of sugar, which is about 4% sugar overall. Sugar lowers the freezing point of liquid, which helps create a treat that's frozen but still sippable. Not enough sugar will cause your mixture to freeze solid. Diet sodas or sugar-free drinks won't freeze properly. You'll want to make sure when choosing a drink to review the label to confirm it has enough sugar. Need ideas of what drinks to use? Refer to your start guide for recipe ideas. If you want to use a sugar substitute, we recommend using allulose for consistent results. It's important to thoroughly combine your ingredients by stirring for 2 to 3 minutes to make sure any sugar is fully dissolved. Next, if you're adding alcohol, always use the spiked slush preset. Your mixture should be between 2.8 and 16% alcohol, which is about a 1 to 1 1/4 ounce shot per 8 ounce serving. Avoid using too much alcohol since it will prevent your drink from freezing. Use the chart in your start guide to help you get the perfect ratio. Just like sugar, you want to mix your alcohol and other ingredients thoroughly before pouring into the machine to get the most consistent slush. The third most important tip is about the temperature in your environment. The room temperature can impact how fast your frozen treat freezes. If the air is cooler, your mixture may freeze faster than expected. If this is the case, you'll want to start at the lowest thickness setting, or setting 5 for soft serve, and increase the thickness gradually to your liking. If your machine stops, that is a sign your mixture may have froze too hard. But don't worry, the machine is designed to shut off when the auger freezes to protect the motor. If this happens, press cancel and wait about 10 minutes. Then select your preset, adjust to the lower thickness setting, and let it run again. Here are a few other best practices to keep everything running smoothly. Always use liquids and smooth ingredients. No ice, frozen fruit, or other solid foods. You'll want to use a blender to puree things like fruit or blend cottage cheese until there are no lumps. For even better results, chill your liquids before adding them. You can even chill your glasses before dispensing. When you're ready to dispense, always make sure your machine is still running. Dispense often to prevent the chute from clogging or too much air being incorporated into your treats. Your machine can run for up to 12 hours, except when using the wash preset. Speaking of, let's talk about cleaning. The wash preset is going to rinse your tank and make cleanup simple. Here's how it's done. Dispense any leftover liquid, press cancel to switch into wash, mix 64 ounces of water with a few drops of soap, pour into the tank up to the max line, and let the cycle run. Then, just dispense the water from the machine. You may notice the tank may look a little murky after using a thicker preset like soft serve or milkshake. This is normal. You can repeat the wash setting or place the tank in the dishwasher. And that's it. Be sure to refer to the sugar and alcohol label on the side of your machine, your start guide, and your use and care to help you along the way. With these tips, you'll get consistent, delicious results every time. Have fun exploring all the cool things you can make with your FreezyFun.